Got your time, you fall off adventures. I'm on the grind and shit, fuck with me mentally. I don't got time for that, I'm in reality. You already know where I'm at with the cabbage. You, I just left the earth. Hanging so high every day, I don't even know for sure. For certain, while I'm swerving it down, I didn't got first. In a brand new Mac Black, did the chopper. No, this not no fucking vid, this a bouncer. You will live on a roster. I gotta do this shit fast. I'm on for 80 and perk, I might crash. You see in the whip, boy, pressure 200 the digital days. Yeah, I get some vitamins, sit on my bed. Yeah. I'm one twizzy, my slack. You don't even gotta say nothing when you already know that you really not living like that. You better fall off, you better go get you a job, you better be thinking about that. Yeah, my twizzy put up in that Mars and I just put up in that cash. EDD with my twin, that's about 20 racks, you know that we split in the past. If I did not know you don't give me no money, cause that's what I got, you ain't getting it back. I was broke once, I would never go back. Why, when, who, where? Stop asking me all of these questions, you already know I don't care. You can see these VS1, hundreds of miles away like a flood. Batch up, pulled up in that one, won't get your million, yeah, I'm clean. Let's all of my clothes, they be coming from Italy. Couple shooter for a band, they do anything. Sipping no walk, I'm not drinking no witness. 400 a couple shoot rich like they ever see. Elon must have paid, I double the ecstasy. Back doing shit for some clout, get a penalty. Making money every day, that my special. So you cannot suck it, that's all the potential.
What it is does do, baby. We back. Oh, what up to the family, bro? Who's ready to maybe play some gold buys today? Look at this 4 hour starting to flip, and we're moving back up maybe. Hey yo, what up, Henry? Yeah, let me get the link in the Discord, bro. Turn it down a little bit. Oh, it looks like the same thing's happening here on GJ. Chart's looking clean, true. I want to take gold like once we start closing above here. Then again, we'll just see. When I say that, I mean like I want to take it on like this next 15. Then again, it's the last candle before New York Open. This was low-key a beautiful move right here. I was up for London. Bro, this would have been a beautiful sell. Right here at the 2 a.m. like 1 hour before London Open. Just cause like we were moving bearish. I didn't take this obviously because I don't like to do the counter trend. But just like bearish market structure printing. It was clean on the 15. Yeah. So it was like we got this higher low or lower high. They keep being formed like one here, and then here this is the 15 right before. Nice top wick before we just melted, bro. I mean, this would have been our best trade right at 4. Sheesh, dude, that's a fucking bleeder. I'd be shipping his ass, shipping to somebody farted. Dude, I want to turn this down a little more. There you go. It's too early, bro. Yo, how has everyone been though? I haven't been on live too much, but we're back now. Yesterday I didn't end up streaming because I completely forgot, believe it or not, that I had something to do at 9, so it was like there was no point of me even streaming. Bro, I was mad because like I was actually trading, or like I was like watching the charts, but dude, it was like I got off after this candle printing here, or like I shut everything down because I was like going to leave within the next like half an hour. Pff, dude, and I just watched this play out. But this did end up playing out though from stream on Monday, like, right? I talked about how you take the wicks off the candles and then draw. We had this one close above here, and then I said that we would end up filling this, and we did. So I was right. Yay! I was right. Quit moving so far, bro. How did my thing go? Oh, there we go. Dude, I don't like how I wish that we would have made a bottom wick first on this 30-minute, bro. Then maybe we could have had a chance to enter earlier. But like, you don't want to enter in whenever obviously we had previous resistance, and we even did end up rejecting it here. No bottom wick, and then start taking the breakout, right? Because it might just fake you out. Yeah, look at a reject, fam.
addicted to crack. Bitch like she love me, I don't love her back. Yeah, so my twins are real damn crazy that'll get you wet. I ain't tryna hear your music, turn it off, that shit some trash.
Looks like I'm gonna have to wait. So let's look at the news too, because tomorrow, so like, we don't have too much today, but tomorrow we have CPIs. So I'm assuming that we're just gonna well, it says CPIs, we had an increase of 0.2%. I'm assuming even more inflation, right? You only focus on trading gold? I trade GJ too. Let's look at GJ. But gold really, gold is my bread and butter. Like, I love gold the most. Let's look at GJ though. So like for GJ, I'll still be looking to take sells on GJ. Looks like we just did some bit, like a little bit of a pullback here, like a deeper pullback. Gold kind of just did the same thing. Like if you look at the 4 hour, before we keep continuing up. Because for us to like be bearish on gold or to change trend, so this was the low that pushed up and made this high, like we would need to start breaking below here, and then even then, like we could return to like a stronger demand zone, like somewhere down here, and then shoot up and print a higher high. We've seen gold do that before. But I think that if this 1 hour will at least close above here, we can get a nice bottom wick before it'll just start juicing. Judo. The only thing with gold today, boys, is like we're already pretty bearish and correct in some of this, and I doubt like we're gonna go out and break the high. So we'll have to, well, like I do think like we'll definitely move up some today. But like today wouldn't be the day that like if I was like trying to go long, like catch a nice bigger trade. Today is not the day for that. You need the higher time frame setting up. So like we might get like, right, so we had this initial push up here and then a pullback, support created on a daily before we ended up continuing up for the next 4 or 3 days. So like I would like to see something like that. So like once we get like daily support confirmed, like we could have, which like it could happen tomorrow, and then Friday. I believe that's exactly what happened here though. Was yeah. So Wednesday was the pullback last week. That was last week, right? Yeah. Last Wednesday, the second, was the pullback. Support created on Thursday. Friday, we juiced. Monday, and then Monday and Tuesday we moved up. Look at this, and then this is this week. Monday, Tuesday we moved up. Wednesday we pulled back. What if we do the same thing? Tomorrow we create the support. So far, I've been liking the price action this week better for gold than I've liked than it was last week. I feel like last week it was kind of hard to trade. I won't lie. Like I felt like the best entries were on the counter trend. I won't lie, for gold. GJ's 30-minute candle ends up closing below support. Gonna sell. What support do you have drawn up? Like this one on the 30-minute? Like right there. I think yeah. I think yeah. I agree that we should pull back definitely on GJ. Even if we're just looking at the 1 hour. We don't have as much volume yet, but like I'll wait for like a decent 1 hour top wick. And then like wait for it to flip. It'd be nice like if we could do it all in one candle, right? But since we are closing below here, clean traffic to at least 152. Like you would get 10 pips here. Like if it closed right where it did right now. Yeah, I think GJ looks good for sells. Because GJ is overall bearish too. I believe GJ kind of had the same setup. Like, yeah, so. It kind of did. Ooh, gold flipping here, bro. Interesting. Oh, interesting. Let's see, like GJ flipping too. Damn, this is crazy. So within the first 44 days of like the S&P performing negative, back in 1920 when we had the Great Depression, we were down 11.8%, and then like right now we're down 11.9% in 44 days. Crazy. But the energy sectors are the ones that always go first. Like, so if we look at like U.S. oil, oil's been going absolutely parabolic. Like, I think we're gonna see like upwards of, I want to, well, I don't want to, but I think we're gonna see like 150 to maybe $200 a barrel for oil. That's just my opinion. Also, wheat futures. We'll look at that real quick too. Is this it? I think it is. Look at wheat futures, bro. Look at the price of like wheat to make bread and shit. Dude, like, who knows what's gonna happen in these next couple months? This is during the 2009 financial crisis. Absolutely exploded. And like, we're all in the beginning of all this right now. Dude, I just feel like, I don't know if like I'm allowed to talk about it, but I don't really care. Dude, this is all it is the government. They want people in the middle class to be destroyed, bro. They want you to either be poor or wealthy, and it's no in between. Because when you're poor, you don't own anything, and they own you, and they can decide what they want for you, and what they want you to be. So whenever you can barely afford to pay for your house, pay for your damn food, it's impossible for you to own anything, bro. Government loves poor people because the poor people rely on the government. And that's what they want you to do, is to rely on them. Look at this 1 hour gold for gold, bro. Completely flipping. So like, maybe I would take sells today just because we are overall bearish today. But we didn't really get a bottom wick. And I would want the top wick first, 100%, for this 1 hour candle. The gold flip totally, yeah. What up, Tignola? How did DJ end up doing? DJ ended up printing. It didn't make a bottom wick and it's moving down though. So like, I still like the GJ sells, but I would have wanted a top wick here. Looks like we're gonna correct the whole bullish push from yesterday. Oh yeah. Yeah, 'cause this was yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah. Very interesting. So So next week, Wednesday, we have the rate hikes. So like, I wouldn't be surprised like if the markets are super choppy until then. But like, if they end up hiking the rates on gold, or like no, just on gold, but like obviously once they hike the rates, it'll be bad for gold, stock market, oil, because the way that like these big banks and institutions purchase these things, it's like how we purchase like stuff like a house or a car. So what you do is like if you're looking to buy a house, you're gonna go to a bank, you're gonna get a mortgage, and you're gonna pay interest on the mortgage, and that's your like the quote unquote fee for them lending you the money. But since they're the biggest ones to move the market, see, like for me and you, it'd be stupid to take out a loan to like invest with because like we can't control the market. But for them, they basically do because they're able to get loans for millions and millions of dollars from the central banks and that. So watch, I think gold might just bleed here. See if it'll bleed down towards like 84, 85. But the thing that's craziest to me is like, bro, we have enough oil in reserves for 20 years, right? But they keep telling everyone, oh, it's a shortage, and no one even thinks to look. Look. Watch this. Like, look at this. Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, Canada, Iran, Kuwait, Iraq. There's a better chart I saw. Fuck you. I don't want. See if you can find. There's like a picture too. Yeah, like if you look at the pictures, bro. But it's like, hey, there's no issue with where we need oil, bro. And there's still enough oil in the goddamn ground for a good while, bro. Oh yeah, look at that. 4 hour, bro. So like I think if this 15-minute will close below all this here. Let me redraw it real quick. Like this area here, if we could close below, I think we could maybe look to take sells. I don't want to take sells, but so hopefully this will set up good, nice buys for us. Yeah, did you guys see that too? With Joe Biden issuing executive order on digital assets, bro. So like talking about crypto and that. Yo, what up, Sid? New layout. Oh yeah, I didn't even. I guess I didn't say nothing. Yeah, I was just like kind of messing around. How do you guys like it, honestly? Dude, sometimes I just change it. Where the hell is a template for it, bro? Nice. There's the strum layout. Dude, look how colorful this is. I've been looking at the other one for a couple of days, bro. Isn't this beautiful? Gray one wasn't too bad. Kinda like it, don't you know? I like wait, where did it go? Yeah, like I like this. So far we don't have very much volume yet either. Like we made one decent initial push and now it's like trolling, bro. What's that Dogecoin doing? Shit. Bleeding out, bro. Dude, what a time to be alive when all this shit started flying, bro. This is all a year ago. Shit. Dogecoin flew up the lake. This is how Russia funded the war, bro. They bought fucking tons of Dogecoin. Do you usually come live at this time? Yes, I do. 7:30 a.m. Eastern time. Nice to meet you, Lorenzo. I was gonna say, you seem like a new face around here, bro. But yeah, Monday through Friday, bro. Within the last week or two, my schedule's been a little inconsistent, but like I've had some stuff going on in real life. But hey, the whole year though, we've been here. I think like honestly is the first time I really missed anything on stream for the last. Wow, I mean, whole year. We just started doing this year. January 3rd was the first day of the streams. It's also the first day of market being open. Well, we had some test runs. We did a week in December. You found my channel a few days ago. It's the first live you follow. Hey, bro, appreciate it. Did you find it on YouTube or did you find me on Instagram first and then you came to the YouTube? You gotta work. Hope to follow me tomorrow. Alright, alrighty. You going to work right now? Oh, you found me on Instagram? Okay. Makes sense. I've been having a lot of people find the Instagram. Like, ever since we got over 1,000 on Instagram, I feel like my stuff's been showing up more in, like the Explorer and that. In Italy, it's 2 p.m. Nice, bro. You in Italy? Nice, bro. Beautiful. I'm from the United States. So, new 15. So far, I don't see anything just yet. Alright, bro. I'll see you tomorrow, Lorenzo. Thanks for tuning in, homie. Let's keep it like that. Looks like DJ's like making a nice choppy move, bro. Nice, beautiful choppy move down, if you want to call it that. Wait, did I even put in the Discord that we were live? Oh shit, no I didn't. Oops. Oops, yeah. I just put it in there. Balenciaga my sweatsuit. Dude, I love the memes that you guys send me on Instagram, like the trading memes. They're funny as shit. Fucking dog. Now we got like 10 minutes left on this. And so like I think that if this 15-minute candle could close below here, right? Because this is where the 15-minute support would be. Even though this is like wicks on higher time frame, the next one should definitely go. Like if we close below here, we should definitely come back down even further today. Versus daily. DJ bleeding. Oh. DJ bleeding, yeah. It's been hard to take an entry on this though, in my opinion. Just because like you did just have this 15-minute print bullish, okay? And then the only way like you could have took this really was like once we start breaking below here. I mean, like if it still keeps going, then yeah, you could definitely get your 10. Marshall said my back. Marshall said my back. Looks like gold doesn't want to move down yet. Oh, you're already in? Nice. Beautiful. You're up 8 pips. Nice. Put that shit to break even, bro, and have a nice trade. I think you'll definitely hit target. Or at least your 10, I mean. Especially like with this 4 hour still driving down, and I mean it has 37 minutes to go. I would like to see this close bearish. Gold might melt. Yeah, I think gold might go here. Just because we just watched it pull the whole ways back up and then still come back down and break this low. I love this song. Slat. Look at my bitch, she snatched. She a little 2-piece snatched. Back up back. I'm gonna wait for gold though. I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute to close below here, and then if we can watch it make its top wick before it, we'll take it like. So like I've been taking a lot of my entries lately, just because these candles have been so big. It's you can get like a nicer stop. So like say like this one right here, we would take in this one once it came up and a little above here, and then rejected and flip. Like we could have got like I mean it's like still a 50 pip stop, but like from like where I usually enter trades, like I wait for the breaks of the highs, breaks of the lows. Like that's like literally double, over double. Let's see if this 5-minute will close low here and then we bleed on the next one. I wonder. Looks like she's already going broke. I couldn't have taken this trade though, just cause like I would have liked to, like my only stops like 85 pips that I would like want to use for this. Gold has been tough lately, boys. It's like if it's been beating you up, don't feel bad. Yeah, look at her bleed, bro. I won't lie, gold has been tough lately, boys. Like, even like whenever you're trying to get in, like sometimes it's hard to justify taking a trade when it's like I know that I might only get like 10, 20 pips, but my stop's gonna be like 30 something. Like right now, like we'd be up probably like what is this, 50 pips now at this point, almost. Like if we took this here, this sell, with no top wicks on either candles, but like 70 pip stop almost. Like it's not even a 1-to-1 yet. It's almost there. Chee, yeah. At least we were right about it. Still moving down. Right? You can only look at the good side of things. Too bad we didn't get that, but you know. We'll see what we can do today. Alright, so it looks like we still get a chance in this. The only way now, I'll take this, like, I'll take this too, like, I 100% will. If we push up first and make, like, a decent top wick to maybe, like, how would I want to, like, visually see it? Like, the top would come up and then have it be, like, this big. Something like this on this 15. And then it starts moving back down, it flips to fill this wick and then move even further. I'll probably take that. Move up first, move up first. Gee, that's just one huge wick, huh? On the 5 minute. Yeah, it looks like we might just go. We're just gonna dick around. GJ, what are we doing? Mountain Cell? So far, nothing, boys. Four-hour closes in like 30 minutes. How my Nasdaq looking, bro? My Nasdaq look like she about juice. Bro, what the hell is this on Forex Factory? Positions, live accounts? Almost 50% of people are looking for longs on GJ, or they're in longs, bro. Ooh, wait. Oh wait, that was back in December. I was like, yo, what the fuck? I was like, people still holding some. Oh, no. I guess it's just for that each day what the majority of people were. Alright, at least everyone right now is looking for shorts. Gee, look at all the losers, bro. 270 losing trades and 62 winnings, and then 86 and then 220. Whew. Oh my god, this dude's in some of these dudes are holding buys from 130s. Bro, some of you might never even seen 130s on the charts for GJ, bro. Damn, bro, what the fuck? You must have sniped it like right off of something. Like trying to see where he would have. Lit. Yo, what up, Joper? Joper? Yeah, we lit. Charts are not, bro. So far, nothing to enter on. There's no volume. You live off trading? I mean, we are live, bro. Oh, my bad. You said you live off trading? Alright, well now, my question is to you. If I answer that, how's that gonna help you learn anything? But, no, I work a part-time job too. Keyword part-time, bro. But, there's nothing wrong with working and trading. I don't know, like, what your whole situation is. But, the thing for me is, like, I don't have multiple sources of income. So, like, if I were to only trade, then, I mean, it's just a lot more pressure. Because I've tried it. But until like I can get other sources of income doing other things related to trading, then I mean I'm still gonna have like a part-time job. You're a full-time Tesla employee? Damn, bro, that's the second person that's come in here and said that. Have you been here before? It is eventually, yeah, full-time trading's the end goal. Yeah, I'm in no rush to get there. You know, I enjoy my life as it is. Like I enjoy doing everything. I mean, like I don't love like going to work, but at the same time, like I don't hate it. The fact that I have another source of income makes it honestly a lot more easier to get through work. You know what I mean? Because then it's like I don't know, like it's like psychologically, I'm not sitting here thinking like I have to be here, I have to be here. I'm screwed if I'm not here. Like you know what I mean? But yeah, nah, I still work a part-time job. It helps, true. I don't understand, like, I mean, like, you could think of me whatever you want, or anyone. Helps you right, does give you secure fund for a month's bills. Yeah, exactly, because then it's like, if you were only trading for your income, then you're, like, forcing yourself to have a goal each month, forcing yourself to maybe make some certain trades that you wouldn't normally take, and then it's like you start taking some bad trades, and then, I don't know, it starts messing you up in the head. Like, just like speaking from experience. And then yeah, I would just say like you kind of have to like treat this like a hobby, like and a business. It's like I don't know, it's like its own niche. I'm trying to like think of a way how I can describe it. Like with trading, it's like I feel like you can only do so much a day before you're actually hurting yourself. It's kind of like sports, I guess, where you could say you're overtraining. Like if you're overtraining, over practicing, you're kind of wearing yourself out more than you might be helping. You're 20, thanks for the advice. You can see your young age as well. How old do you think I am? But I've been doing this for about 2.5 years. It'll be 3 in this summer. He's 32. Shh. 22 maybe. Then we got some people in here that don't know, bro. Shit. No, I'm 20 years old. But I first started like looking into this stuff when I was like 17, about to turn 18. You low-key always forget. I found some dude on Instagram who he followed me out of nowhere, and like I had no idea who he was, but I seen he was like trading in that, and then I DM'd him, and I was like, "Yo, how the hell do you get started in this stuff, bro?" Like I'm 17 years old. My family doesn't know nothing about. I could find the screenshot. My family doesn't know nothing about like trading and investing. Where do I get started? He's like, you can come sign up with me. You found Rajah Banks and FX Daniel Savage. You bought Savage's lifetime. You be hidden. Wait, his lifetime what? Like signals and that, or like cause believe it or not, bro, when I first started, that's who I like. That was the first course I ever bought. You've been buying crypto since 17. Options trading is tough. Yeah, options was the first thing that I was like looking into doing as well. But I seen that FOREX was like more technical analysis. You found it at 17, almost 23, still struggling. Give it some time with MMC, bro. But yeah, his signals. That's crazy. I don't have a problem with like Daniel Savage or nothing. I know like a lot of people in the industry don't like him, but like you know, he does his thing. This is what I don't understand either. Is like people always say like, oh, he's the 6ix9ine of FOREX, like the troll, the public enemy, the one everyone don't like. And then it's like they all tell themselves that, and then they still hate him. That's one thing I don't understand. But yeah, I got banned from Daniel Savage's Discord like 2 years ago because I was just showing like my charts and my trades I was sending in there, and he was like, "What the fuck is this, bro?" He's like, "This isn't even a strategy. We trade like, where's the fib? Where's this and that?" And I was like, "Bro, I don't fucking use the fibs." And he banned me, and then he banned a whole bunch of people. Emotions, not finding strategy. Dude, that's the biggest thing is you have to stick to a strategy. You have to looking at the stuff the same exact way. But I learned from Raja. That's my biggest mentor. Sorry, 16 is going alright. Dude, yeah, this stuff takes time. Think about it. Like, if you want to go to school to become a doctor, it's gonna take you like 8 to 12 years. Bro, that's lit. I hope you come up with 20 runs in your account. I mean, yeah, it would be funny. But at the same time, I mean, if I ever ran into him, dude, I would want to do like more or less like a collab, you know. I'm just like on that type of time. I'm sure he wouldn't even he probably wouldn't even recognize who I am. Let me see if I can't find the screenshots, bro. They're funny. Dude, there's a bunch of people making pictures of me. The one I showed it on stream before. I probably won't show it again. Yeah, look at this. I didn't make this, obviously. You can see it. Look at that. Comment, Sam. That was me with the fucking in the hospital. You know, I used to work in a hospital back when I was like 17, and then they had this picture, bro. It's funny. After a good talk with Sam, he gave me enough motivation to keep going. True, bro. I showed you some things, bro. Brow job, price action, life. True, bro. It's just like I feel like if you keep it simple enough and then like learn the fundamentals, learn the stuff that moves price, and then just start understanding all that. Keep it simple, bro. Support and resistance, price action. Definitely be a good way to blow up your socials, yeah. I mean, like I'm focused on growing, but like my biggest thing is really just like growing to be able to reach out to more people. Cause I feel like, dude, I don't know, like I definitely feel like I do give some fire, uh, like analysis and that. Like just talking about like the fundamentals of everything. Like, look, this was my. When did I send this? This was. It'll be a month ago. Look at this chart I sent, bro. Look at where we're at. We're fucking way above here. This is a daily for gold. Where were we at on this screenshot? 1858. So we were somewhere over here. And then look, bro, I called. Just like slightly under 2,000 pips. You don't try to trade Bitcoin on MT4? Oh, I do. Like I actually. Right now, Bitcoin is just ranging. I do watch Bitcoin. But I caught this buy on Bitcoin from like down here. I did it like on a real low loss size though. Gotta go. Have a great day, Sam. Everyone chat. Yo, peace out, Henry fam. TA fire, bro. True. I mean, my technical analysis is good, but like my fundamentals definitely. Like I said, once again, the conflict has begun to erupt in Ukraine with Russia. This is huge for gold. Lots of volatility with this being safe haven. Supply of this precious metal will be cut down to a decrease in trade between countries because of war. That would be like the supply lowering. Don't play any gold sells. Wait for a setups or buys. You can see that we've also broken out of a major downtrend. Like right here. That was what that screenshot was. Do you watch Sharma FX? No, I don't know who that is. My bad. But I called this out too. This was like I don't know if you're in the Discord or not. This was just this week. I said we'd probably fill this range just because we closed. Let me put on my oh, GJ is moving up, bro. What's gold doing? But I said that we'd probably fill this area here. Wait, do you have a 1 to 500 $100 go in with a one lot? Damn, bro. So what? Like you just risk the whole account on one trade? Like 10 pips stop? Wait like a session or two to retrade. If you lose $100, I wait a week. That's actually funny. You could probably build a nasty account off doing that. I mean, you probably could. Look like gold's melting right now, bro. 5 pips ups. Dude, that's wild. I feel like that'd be difficult. I feel like that'd be really hard. Just cause like, I don't know, you one pullback, there goes your account. Yo, who was it? I was watching a podcast of Don Vo. He said that his biggest memory or whatever he'll never forget was when he went and found a 1 to 1,000 leverage account, put like $300 in, and then I think he said he had like a $300 account with like a 3 lot buy stop or something on gold for like NFP, and then he said it went in a profit for like a half a second, and then and then the position disappeared, and he just looked at his balance and it was in the negative, and he had to pay his broker back like $800 or something. Building some cool accounts, but blow some big ones. It's like that wicked out. Yeah, true. I mean, hey, that's why. I mean, I'm sure you'd be hitting them withdrawals. All bad, true. Okay, so like, look at this now. We're about to close bullish on GJ here. Well, we might. We got like 5 minutes left. You use Osprey, you think that one's cool? Yeah, Osprey, I used them before. They're good. See, my opinion about a lot of brokerages is that a lot of them are like mostly all the same. Um, the spreads might be just like a little bit different. They're just all like a little bit different, like in terms of spreads, commissions. You haven't had no problem with the withdrawing, yeah. Yeah, I feel like I don't know. I feel like you could use like whatever brokerage you wanted. My favorite thing is when like people are brand new or like, what broker you use? What broker you use, bro? And it's like, bro, it doesn't matter. It's like that's why whenever you had asked me like if I work or not, I wasn't quite sure like what like why you're asking or whatever. Like I just like when people ask me questions like what broker you use, blah blah, that kind of stuff. It's like that's why I just ask like what is this gonna help benefit you? Hello, Josco. Hey, good seeing your beautiful face here, buddy. Have you caught any trades? School seems like you're late to the party. No, bro, I haven't had anything. There's been like very little opportunity for these sells. And like I was looking for buys today, honestly. But now it definitely looks like we're bearish for right now. I think we might range around here. Maybe till CPI tomorrow or something. This would have been probably the best trade right here once we started to flip after we rejected here. But as soon as I came back to the charts, it was already moving. Like, or not came back to the charts, but we were looking at something else, I think. That night, I honestly didn't really see the setup until after it happened, because I was just focused on this 1 hour closing bullish, but it flipped and moved down so quickly. Yeah, it did it like in the last 10 minutes of before New York. Believe it or not, on a Tesla option call, you catch the direction it's moving, you can make like 1K under an hour, putting up like 1,500 for a contract. True, bro. Yeah, yeah. Like I said, I used to trade options at premiums for those companies like Amazon, Tesla. Dude, they're juiced, bro. If I were to trade options, that's probably what I would trade too. Something like that, like high risk, high reward, trading stuff like Tesla. And what are some of the other ones like Amazon? I think Apple has some decent premiums on their contracts. 6 a.m. over in Cali. You got like 30 minutes, bro, till that New York Open. Tesla, Amazon, Netflix. How's Netflix been doing? Apple the best for like $100 account. I haven't really been looking too much at. Ooh, yo, bro, holy shit. NYSE Open, yeah, it's in 30 minutes. See, for instead of like trading options in that at 9:30, lately what I've been doing is like usually I'm done with the stream by then. So like I'll look to see what the Nasdaq's doing, and then like I'll like you know how you can trade indices on like MT4. That's what I'll do. But I won't lie, like lately I haven't really been paying attention to it too much because we've been like some of the best moves haven't been happening on gold until like after 9 a.m. Like let's look. So yeah, like this move happened at 1 p.m. Or but like you could have or no. Where am I? I'm tripping. Yeah, this happened at 9 a.m. 9:30. Yeah, like yesterday 9:30 gold popped off, went to the moon. How do you feel? Is it a little bit better? You talking about like with my pap? I've been alright. Yesterday I didn't stream though. I didn't realize I forgot to even say anything because we had the funeral yesterday morning. But I'm back now, boys. I'm back now. I won't lie, bro. It's been so weird not like being on the stream, bro. And then it was like Monday I was on the stream for like, bro, what was it? Maybe like half hour, 40 minutes. Dude, the whole power went out where I live, like just like my street and the next street over for like I think it was like 8 or 9 hours, bro. It's like I was pissed. So we'll see what gold does now, cause like if we do start breaking below this area, be interesting. Yo, Mr. Grimm. How are you doing, bro? I'm doing alright. I'm doing alright. Midweek always a little range. Wednesday, stock, crypto, forex. Yeah, that's exactly what it did. Well, we had a pullback for gold last Wednesday. It was like this candle right here. Good, good. Yeah, that's what I like to hear. I think GJ would be good for buys. Like if this 1 hour candle flips and then starts driving back up, I'll probably honestly look to take this on the stream if it does it. Like so, like we have a support here, and then if this candle comes up and flips, we could enter like this with our stop loss below the wick to look to maybe fill previous 4 hour, and then maybe even further. What's happening with gold? Just meltdown right now. I think we're just like pulling back, setting up for CPI tomorrow. Because CPI, like, so what they're going to do is they're going to look at the interest rates, and we can already assume that inflation, or they're going to look at inflation, my bad. And, like, if the numbers are still up for inflation, then it's a bullish factor for gold, so they're going to want the better prices for the buys, I would think. But I think, like, all markets, every single market's going through a pullback right now. Like GJ is moving up when we should be moving down. Even US 30 is doing a pullback right now. Let's look at this one. But like once we start breaking out of this area, are you gonna buy for gold? No. I'm not in anything for gold. Why does my thing say I am? No. I would personally be looking to take sells on gold today. Like if you're trading gold, just because like how bearish we are for the day, and we're about to come down and break the low of the previous daily candle. But like obviously overall we are bullish. I don't really see anything for gold unless there is buys at this level. But so far, I don't really see like any seller exhaustion, and I'm not seeing any buyers coming in to reject this area just yet. The volume's been kind of low, and then like we'll see a real aggressive move. I think that if this gold or if GJ starts breaking this 4 hour low, then we might just keep moving back. We might move back down. We got to see it do that first. That and I don't know though, cause it's like this 4 hour has no top wick. Like I would have liked us to move up a little bit first, then come down, start breaking it. Nice. So look, this is what I wanted to see. So like if this flips, it's like a 20 pip stop buy. I might take this buy here on GJ. Alright, I'm in. Oh, okay. Alright, we're at 10. My stops are break even. I'm securing half. Alright, beautiful. Nice. So we should start driving up and start breaking this high here on the 4 hour is what I want to see. Well, let's see like if the rest of our position will hit. TP here at 25 pips. That was crazy, dude. That 1 minute candle just went. Alright, I gotta stop break even. That was a quick one, bro. Alright. I still think we should move up though. This should be a good 15-minute candle to like if we end up closing bullish here. Like that's a good bottom wick for this 4 hour for us to keep driving up, I think. Oh, gold went too. Gold just broke that previous daily low. That was crazy. Alright. I think gold should keep flying, bro. Or gold should keep mounting. GJ should keep moving up. Alright, boys. But I'm gonna hop off the stream here. And we'll be back tomorrow, so I'm gonna start the little outro. We're not going to war today, but we gotta sign up.
Not your friend.